If z equals to ln sed x squared plus y squared, show that x delta z delta x plus y delta z delta y equals to 1. So just before we start differentiation, let us use the law of log for this question. So using the law of log, which is ln a to the power of b, we can write down as ln a. We can bring the power b to the front, so it can become b ln a. So using this law of log, we're gonna bring the power, which is sed, become 1 over 2, right down in the front, of ln x squared plus y squared. So let us start our first partial derivative with respect to x. Delta z delta x. So 1 over 2 is a constant. We know that differentiate ln fx, we need to write down as ln, how to differentiate ln fx, that we need to differentiate f, divide with, copy down the function fx, right? So we're gonna use these rules to differentiate ln. So differentiate ln x squared plus y squared with respect to x. We need to differentiate x squared with respect to x is 2x. Differentiate y squared with respect to x. Y squared is a constant. Differentiate constant is 0. Divide with, copy down, x squared plus y squared. So if we simplify, 1 over 2 times 2x is x over with x squared plus y squared. So we're going to do the same thing for first partial derivative with respect to y, which is delta z delta y. So delta z delta y equals to, write down the constant 1 over 2, then differentiate ln x squared plus y squared with respect to y. We're going to use the same rules, which is differentiate over, copy down. So differentiate x squared with respect to y. X squared is a constant. Differentiate constant is 0. Differentiate y squared with respect to y is 2y. Divide with, copy down, x squared plus y squared. So let us simplify. 1 over 2 times 2y is y. Divide with, copy down, x squared plus y squared. Then now, what we have to do now, we're going to times our x with delta z over delta x plus with y, delta z delta y. Okay, so x times delta z delta x plus y delta y delta z actually, delta z delta y. Now substitute, then we're going to show it whether it become 1 or not. Okay, so x times with x square divide, no, x times with x square plus y square plus y times y x square plus y square. So now we have this x square and we have this y square, divide with, we have the same denominator here, x squared plus y squared, then this one they become 1. So show that x delta z delta x plus y delta z delta y equals to 1. Yes, it is equals to 1. Shown. That's it.